Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to another video. Bit of a different video than usual today, as I'm sure you can all tell it's a lot shorter than the videos I've previously made, and you'll find out why that is in just a couple of minutes. But I wanted to take a second to say thank you and show some appreciation to all the new subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. I was only on about 85 just before the last video I uploaded. Now I'm on about 220 I think, which is really awesome to me. Also, I want to thank everyone for the support on my last video. It's now currently at like 8,600 views, which to me is absolutely mental because I didn't expect it to get anywhere near that many. So thank you to each and every one of you. One more thing I want to say thank you for as well is the feedback and comments on my videos. I do like a bit of criticism and tips to help me improve my gameplay and videos, and one thing I completely agree with a few people telling me is my playstyle when peeking left and right hand corners. I know I need to learn to switch my hands to get a better peek on enemy players, so that is one thing I do need to try and practice doing. But I think the reason for me never doing that is because, number one, I've got terrible accuracy with anything to do with my left hand, and number two, I just don't think to do that when playing. But sometimes I do, so yeah. I appreciate the feedback from everyone, and anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. We all need to push now! Go, go, go! Hit, hit, hit! Hit!
Oh, fuck, I hit the... What?
Yeah, I pulled the pin of the grenade, it's fine. It's there. I'm waiting for it to build and then push. Ready?
I'm sorry.
Ready? Go! Yellows, move up! Yellow. Go on!
Careful on the window, the other side.
I'm coming up. Wait, there's two in the bus.
Can you cover them in?
Wait, there's two inside the bus just here. Oh. They're looking us through the windows. Hit!
You need to get people up there and...
I know, yeah. I feel like a lot of people don't really want to push though.
Yeah, that's killing me.
Where are they?
You get back, you sit back here, wait for everyone to come back off, like just get as many people back here as you can, and then just speed up.
We all just need to rush. If we all push, they're not going to kill us all.
Yeah, exactly.
They'll get a few of us, but...
Because it's running respawn, if you're all pushing up,
I'm saying you can move up.
Yeah.
Exactly. Alright, I'm just going to fucking run.
Go for it.
Two behind car! Watching this footage back, it looks like this shot I took hit this guy, but I'm not too sure. Let me know what you guys think. Yellows, move up! Now what you guys are about to see in the next few seconds is the whole reason why this video is so short. Fuck. Fucking GoPro's falling off. Hit. Fucking shot my GoPro off.
They're fucking everywhere.
Oh no. Cunt shot my GoPro.
Oh, shot your GoPro?
It's like, yeah, it's like snapped. Fuck, man. Oh, fuming. Am I alright to walk back and put this away?
Yeah,
and then I'll come back.
Yeah, we'll go back.
Fuck, man. Oh well, that's the end of today then. So basically, for the rest of this video, I've tried to put together some footage from my scope cam from this day. It's been very difficult trying to make some sort of video out of the footage that I have because obviously it's a zoomed in camera, but I've tried my best and I think it's alright, so I apologise this video isn't one of the best, but it will have to do. I do have some really good videos for the future that I need to start editing, so stick around and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of them because they are going to be good. You're hit! Yeah. Got 3 of them. Good shot, nice one. Hit! Hit! Drops in there. Come on, hit!
He's in there, he's in there.
In where?
He's sick.
That one?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at.
Yeah.